It's Luke Chow from the Morpheus Clinic for Hypnosis in Toronto, Canada, where we make hypnosis make sense. Last year we celebrated 15 years at 15 Elm Street. This year I found out that 15 Elm Street is going to be turning into a condominium. I'm here at 49 Elm Street because this is the new location for the Morpheus Clinic for Hypnosis. We are renting out the entire main floor. It's gonna be awesome. See those windows? Those windows are mine. Please join me. My graphic designer has figured out beautiful frosting for the entranceway. It's gonna be awesome. Our sign that is currently behind reception, we're going to relocate in front of a blue accent wall just right over here. It's going to have like a nice light shining on it. This here is, I took a couple of trips to Costco this morning because this is going to be flooring for the new space that I'm going to show you at the end of this video. Through these glass double doors, which will become frosted for privacy, we have my new office. Nice yellow brick wall, locally sourced, I believe. Big window, lots of space for this post-pandemic world where 4 meters of distancing is actually possible in this space. It's gonna be awesome. I know that people love in-office sessions, and I also know that some people, despite the pandemic basically being over, are still a little leery of in-office just because of the collective trauma from the past 2.5 years. But a lot of space keeps people safe. You don't have to worry if I cough. I don't have to worry if you cough if we're an entire room apart. Here we have basically reception. My client care coordinators now get their own office with a real lock and a real door, which again, I think is pretty awesome. This here is going to house a second practitioner. I don't know who that second practitioner is going to be. Maybe I know them, maybe I don't know them yet, but we're going to set this up for hypnotherapy as well. The intent is to be a destination for mind-body healing and a destination for hypnotherapy that people sorry, I'll redo that bit. The intent is to be setting up a world-class destination for mind-body healing and for hypnotherapy specifically. And the best part is still coming at the end. This office space here is actually, it would be a legitimate office, but I have so much space over there that this is gonna be my storage room where I'm gonna put empty boxes and like extra flooring and that kind of thing. I'm probably way more excited about this little room over here than any of you would be, but I'll tell you why you should be excited. At 15 Elm, we don't have a kitchen sink. This space has everything, including the kitchen sink. At 15 Elm, I have to clean out the coffee maker in the washroom. That's why, if you're a client, you've never had our coffee before. And the exciting part, which first I'm going to show you something I've never seen before, but which exists. If we could bring the camera in there. It's a dumbwaiter. Check it out. This building, I think it was originally a brewery, and they would just kind of like send things up and down through the dumbwaiter. But this space here is over 600 square feet that I'm setting up as event space and workshop space, and this is where I'm going to be doing group sessions. That's what the vinyl flooring is going to be for, because this is going to be a high traffic, high wear area. I'm going to be teaching at the front here in front of a lectern that I'm going to be setting up. I'm going to have like a projector and a whiteboard, and in front of me in that big space, it's going to fit 20, maybe more, maybe less, big comfy armchairs, like the kind you get at IKEA that you can fall asleep in. And that means I can speak once and reach 20 people at the same time, in person. I know the in-person bit matters to a lot of people. And I also know that, for myself, I'm very conscientious not to get clients sick. With all this space, we don't have to compromise. With all the space we can do in office, we can still have distancing. And with 20 people splitting my fee, I'm gonna be doing all right. So this is gonna be the new Morpheus Clinic for hypnosis. It's gonna be awesome. Probably in the next few weeks, you're gonna see a new video where we've painted the walls, we've done the flooring, we have the new furniture, and then in early September, we're gonna have a grand opening. If you are in Toronto, please join us. Just check out our website or our socials, and you should see more information coming shortly. Thank you for watching and for sharing this exciting journey with us.